Hey guys, it's me Ashi Alexandra and I'm back again with another video. So if you would like to see how I did this sleek sleek hairstyle, just stay tuned. I'll be using the Cream of Nature Hydrating Curling Cream along with the hair oil from Cream of Nature. So I previously washed my hair yesterday, so now I'm just gonna take out my two plaits I did before actually getting into this hairstyle. Okay. Let's put a little oil here. So right now I'm just gonna try section off my hair. So I'll start by section off the back. I'll be section off a piece of the front and putting the rest in the ponytail in the back so I can get that sleek look. Make sure you detangle your hair because you want it smooth. Now I'll just use my water with oil and conditioner to just get my hair a little softer. I'll be using my brush to detangle my hair, my denim brush. Now I'm gonna just take some of my Cream of Nature Hydrating Curling Cream and just pass it inside of my hair. My hair already had in products, so I didn't have to use much. I just ensured I got the ends. Now I'm gonna use my Eco Styler castor oil gel. You want to just smooth your hair as much as possible. Get everything, slick it. Use as much gel as you feel like in order to get that sleek, smooth look. Now I'm just gonna try see how I'm going to slick this down. I'm detangling it. I just added the piece to the back with the rest of the hair, and now I'll be applying some gel so you can get slicked down properly. If you feel you slick it down good enough, then you can just now take it back out and tie it tightly, however as tight as you feel like. Ensure everything is still sleek. No, I'm not leaving the back of my hair like that, but right now I'm going to tie it down while I go do my makeup. Come back. So I'm back again. I'll be taking off this hair tie. This is it. But I don't want my hair out in the back. I don't want my hair out in the back because I have a big day tomorrow at school, so I'll just twist it. And now you're just gonna take it and twist it. You say I'm holding this and holding this. You're just gonna place it in one time. And if you want, you can if you want, you go like open it up to the back. However, I don't want it open up. If you want, you can leave your hair just like this. Just like this. Or you can do your baby hair like I'm about to do. So, some gel, your toothbrush. Get to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, click the notification bell so you can get alert when I post a new video. Hope you guys enjoy this look. This hairstyle, sorry. Quick, simple, not really quick, but simple and elegant. See you guys in my next video.